If you've ever tried to send a text inside GoHighLevel and it just wouldn't go through, this video is going to fix that for good. The reason it didn't send is something called A2P. It's an approval that every phone number needs before it's allowed to text your leads and your clients. And for years, A2P was the most painful part of the whole platform. You'd fill out these long, confusing forms, hit submit, wait days, and then get rejected for a reason nobody could explain. A lot of people honestly quit GoHighLevel because they could never get past it. Well, they just rebuilt the entire thing. And now, instead of filling out all those forms yourself, you type one message to their AI and it does the whole registration for you. I'm not exaggerating when I say it's about 20 times easier than it used to be. So in this video, I'll walk you through the brand new process step by step with the exact prompt I use. And by the end, you'll know how to get your number approved, even if you've been rejected a bunch of times before. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency. So far this year, we've done over $2.4 million in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick so you can see it's legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube won't show you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $2.4 million this year, around 350 active clients, and we charge about $1,000 a month. And here's the thing, every single one of those clients gets text messages from us, which means every single one of those numbers had to get through A2P first. So I've done this a lot and I've felt all of the pain. Let me show you how easy it is now. Chapter 1. Why texting is the most important thing you'll set up. Before I show you the new process, you need to understand why this even matters so much. Texting is where the money is, and the numbers on this aren't even close. About 98% of text messages get opened. For email, it's around 20%. So you could send the same exact offer to the same person and they'll see your text and never even notice your email. And it's fast too. Most texts get read within 3 minutes of being sent. People actually reply to text too, around 45% of the time, compared to about 6% for email. Think about your own phone. You open almost every text, but your email inbox has 100 unread messages sitting in it right now. That's why texting beats every other channel for an agency. So here's what we actually use it for and what you'll set up for your clients. The first one is speed to lead. The second a new lead comes in, you text them, not an hour later, right then. Because the business that answers first almost always wins the deal. The second is appointment reminders. A quick text the day before and another an hour before cuts no-shows way down. Every no-show is money gone, so this one pays for itself. The third is database reactivation. Your client has a list of old leads just sitting in their phone doing nothing. You send one simple text like, hey, we've got a couple openings this week, and you can pull real money out of people they already had. And the fourth is just real one-on-one conversations. Someone has a question, they text back and you answer them and book them right there in the thread. No phone tag, no waiting. Every one of those makes your client more money. But here's the catch. None of it works until your number is approved for A2P. That's the gate you have to get through first. So let me show you the brand new way to do it. Chapter 2, letting the AI do your entire A2P application. Okay, here's the part you came for. I'm going to register a number from scratch and you'll watch the AI do almost all of it for me. First, there's a quick one-time setup step. From your main agency view, you go to settings, then phone integration, then the sub-account settings tab. You find the account you want to text from and you link it to Lead Connector. Lead Connector is just GoHighLevel's built-in phone system. This is what turns texting on for that account and you only have to do it once. Next, you fill out your business profile as much as you can. Inside that account, you go to settings, then business profile, put in your website, your business type, your industry, your EIN, and your authorized representative, which is just the main person at the business. Here's why this matters. The more you fill in right here, the less the AI has to ask you later. It's going to grab all of this automatically in a second. Now for the magic, I open Ask AI. That's the AI assistant built right into GoHighLevel. And I give it one simple prompt. I tell it, I want to send text messages from this sub account. I need to register and get approved for A2P, the brand and the campaign. Can you please help me register as fast as possible by providing all the sample messaging and information needed? Only ask me the absolutely essential questions and make your best assumptions about everything else. And watch what it does. It instantly pulls my business name, my email, my phone, my website, and my address straight from the profile I just filled out. Then it checks if I'm even eligible and it tells me I'm good to go, with no past registration getting in the way. I didn't type any of that, it already knew it. Then it starts building the actual application for me. It picks the right type of registration, it writes my sample text messages and my use case, which is the exact stuff that normally trips people up, and then it sends a 6-digit code to my business email just to make sure I'm really me. I grab that code, type it back into the chat, and the AI just keeps going on its own. It saves my business details, it saves my representative, it saves my campaign, and then it submits the whole thing to the carriers. Now, here's my favorite part. The first submission came back with a couple of technical errors. You would have no idea what to do with that. but the AI just reads the errors, fixes them itself, and resubmits. It fixed the region format. It fixed the job title. I didn't touch a thing. And then it came back and said, registration submitted, done. And this isn't just some demo account. I ran this exact same process on one of my real agency sub accounts. And a few days later, this email showed up, approved. That number is now allowed to text. That whole thing used to take me forever and get rejected half the time. Now it's one prompt and a code. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform I use to run my entire agency and all my clients. So if you haven't tried it out yet, you can use my link down in the description. And when you sign up with my link, you also get access to my community with over 100 video lessons, my full AI prompt library, including the exact prompt I just used, and a bunch of other bonuses completely free. All right, let's keep going. Chapter 3, what to do after you hit submit. So your application is in. Here's what happens next. First, how long it takes. Lately, it's been about 5 business days for me to hear back. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's a little slower because it's the phone carriers doing the checking, not GoHighLevel. So my advice is simple. Set this up early. Don't wait until the day you actually need to send a campaign. Now, here's what to do if you get rejected. It happens, and it's really not a big deal anymore. Watch this. I just go back to Ask AI and I ask it, my application was rejected. Why? And what should I do next? And instead of some useless error code, it pulls the real reason in plain English. And 9 times out of 10, it's the same exact thing. Your legal business name doesn't perfectly match what the IRS has on file for your EIN. Even a tiny difference will do it. A missing comma, the letters LLC written 2 different ways. The carriers check your name against the IRS in real time, so it has to match exactly. The fix is easy. You find your exact business name on your EIN letter from the IRS, the one called the CP575. Then you come back and just tell the AI the correct name. It updates it and resubmits for you. You don't even need a new code. And here's a pro move. You don't have to wait around guessing. Anytime you want, you can just ask the AI, check my A2P status, and it'll tell you exactly where you stand. So what do you do while you wait those few days? 2 things. First, build your systems now. So the second you're approved, you just flip them on. Get your follow-ups, your reminders, and your booking automations built and sitting ready to go. I'll show you those in a second. Second, lean on email in the meantime. Email doesn't need A2P approval. So you can still follow up with your leads, send your nurture, and book appointments over email while your texting gets approved. That way you're never just sitting there doing nothing. Chapter 4, what this actually means for you and your clients. So step back and think about what just changed. The hardest part of getting started, the part that made people quit, is basically gone. You can get a number approved in one sitting, and that means you can start installing the systems that actually make money fast. Here's what I mean. Once that number is approved, you can drop in a system that texts every new lead the second they come in and books them into the calendar on its own. This is the AI that runs inside my agency right now. In just 2 weeks, it helped book 162 appointments. It answers every text, every DM, every message that comes in around the clock, and it pushes people to book while they're still interested. You can add an AI agent that chases down your no-shows for you. The second someone misses an appointment, it texts them a fresh booking link and gets them rescheduled with nobody lifting a finger. You can set up follow-up that goes after your old leads and your hottest prospects automatically. And you can build the boring but important stuff, the instant confirmations and the reminders that make sure people actually show up. Now here's the important part. Every one of those systems runs on texting, which means every one of them needs A2P first. That's why this is such a big deal. The thing standing between you and all of these money systems just got 20 times easier. And this is the exact service you sell. You install these systems for a local business and you charge them around $1,000 a month to run it. You build it one time and you load it into the next client in a few clicks. Build it once, sell it forever. So that's it. The thing that used to make people quit GoHighLevel is now something you can knock out in one sitting. You fill out your profile, you give the AI one prompt, you type in a code, and it handles the rest. Now, coming up next, I have a brand new GoHighLevel tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform, step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.